Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you some original German World War II belt buckles that I own. Alright, so here we've got a couple of original German World War II belt buckles. Alright, so here we got a really nice original second model German Luftwaffe belt buckle. You can see this is the second model Eagle and this is the first model. You can see the difference. This one has a hanging tail and this one doesn't. It's denazified, so that's gone. You can still see it on that side, right over there. Somebody did that. Don't know why that, but probably wanted to make an SS buckle from it. I don't know, but it's from aluminum. But it's still a really nice one. Here we got a Hitlerjugend or Hitlerjugend belt buckle. It's marked with M4 110 and it's got the Hitlerjugend Eagle and swastika. It says Blut und Ehre. It's a really nice one in mint condition. It's gonna give you a close-up. There we go. Really nice. There's the stamp. Really nice one. Here we got a original German World War II Waffen SS belt buckle. Meine Ehre heißt Treue. The SS Eagle. This one is in mint condition. No markings. This one is made from steel. There you go. You can see, really nice condition. So that's really nice. Here we got a original Luftwaffe belt buckle. This one is not denazified. Still got the leather thing on it. Stamped 1937. Some German writing there. Some numbers right over there. These ones are pretty expensive. This one, of course, even more. But I got it for really cheap. So that's nice. Definitely original aluminum. Really nice. Example. Here we got a original German World War II Wehrmacht belt buckle. Gott mit uns. I really like these models. This is loose part. It's not made of one piece. You can see it's a loose part. Really nice one. And the nice thing is this is the original belt from it. And you can see there's still the name from the soldier right over there. You can see his regiment and stuff. This was found in a flea market somewhere in Germany. So that's nice. A really nice original. Early. This is the parade version. Belt buckle. Of course, they also use this one in war on the battlefield. We've got another one. This one is made out of one piece, also with the leather thing on it. Marked 1939. And some German writing. Frankfurt. Really nice. Used as a big scratch over there. And yeah, it's been used a lot. It's nice. It's a combat belt buckle. We've got another one in better condition. Really like this one. You can see it's really good condition. You can see the eagle still in good condition. You can still see his feathers. Also leather thing. I can't see the date for sure. but it's there. Got some stems over there. Green. Really nice. And here we've got an officer's belt. Got a marking there. Not so nice as this kind. I really like these ones. I like these belt buckles. I mean, I like that more than this. Some of the belts are really nicely stamped. So that's really nice. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you liked the video. Please comment and have a nice day.